YouTube? Guys, in today's YouTube upload, we're going to be highlighting some clips here. Craziest moments in nature, but in a unique way. These things are never supposed to happen. They're probably things you haven't seen before, and I think you're going to like it. If and when you do, don't forget to like the video, man. Subscribe to the channel and drop a comment down below. Tell us how you like it and if you want more. And enjoy the video. I'll see you again soon. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. And peace and love, baby. Okay, Gary, favorite time of the day. What do you have for me and the boys today?
Nature moments, like 1 in a billion moments. Then also just like some crazy storms and shit going on.
Okay. Okay. Let's rock it. Was that guy swimming through ice?
Yeah, it was like ice, like in the ocean.
This shit's always scary because people don't know how to drive. Oh my God. Is she saying careful? Like he has a choice? Lava's crazy, isn't it? This looks like my ass after Taco Bell right here. Tsunami vibe. Oh my
God! Woo!
The car over there, our car.
Okay, it's okay.
Look at the car, it's been smashed against the side.
It's okay. It's relax.
That's the USGS crew.
that lava again? That is insane how fast that's moving, man. It's like a river. Oh my God. Where is this so I can never ever go?
You are so dumb with this. You can't. You gotta get out.
This?
Yeah, like you can't be that close to that happening.
Is it bad? Doesn't look that close.
Usually it's like fucking crazy waves come off that thing.
The winds continually
Gary, don't
blow
talk
the
about it
sand
like you're
around,
out in the
and as a
icelands,
layer of
okay?
shale shifts,
I
it
know what you're
creates
talking
this
about.
See it happen.
fascinating sound.
It's like me when I'm getting ready to take a shit. Same thing. My whole body. What is this right here?
It's a sinkhole.
Like of all the places for that to happen. These little baby ass tornadoes, Gary. We're the big dogs, the big bloods. Come on, man. Just a little baby ass thing. Okay, we're getting some action here. I love tornadoes, man. Sometimes I stay up all night just YouTubing tornadoes. It's a weird thing for me. I'm like just mesmerized by them.
Clouds appear only when there's high humidity and strong horizontal airflow. They may seem still from afar, but they're actually always in motion.
Let's see some shit, man. There we go.
Блин, мимо бы прошла.
This is some shit I'm just not into, man.
Там еще народ.
Like, I'll go to a mountain and snowboard,
до нас сюда едет.
like one
No, you ain't.
that's human-made. Snow, what are you talking about, man? I literally do it all. And I have a snowboard. Thank you. But I'm not going to a mountain, like a real mountain, with like avalanches and shit.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh shit.
Oh,
What are the odds of that?
jeez!
Oh, crikey!
so strong the waterfall can't even go.
What is it, an eclipse? Bang, snap it. Snap it. Aren't you supposed to not look at that?
I mean, like, you can look at it
To
on
ward off
screen.
threats and warn their fellow bees, honeybees employ this unique tactic. The more imminent and noticeable the danger, the stronger and more frequent these waves are.
Damn.
The tide has turned this mix of sand and ice into a unique sculpture.
Imagine just driving by that and that happens. Yeah, why are you guys under this, man? What if it falls? Oh my god, you guys are. This is process of elimination right here, man. This is
Oh my god.
that law we learned about in science. Darwin. Let's walk under a bunch of spikes and record. Jellyfish.
Why he's touching it?
Because he's like you, Gary. He's an idiot. Oh.
Scientists have concluded that these ice disks form due to swirling currents that cause the ice to spin and take on a perfect round shape.
That's an alien. I've seen it. Just waiting to fly. Lighting's weird, man. Like, that shit kills people. What is happening?
Our street is starting to flood.
All the water ones are the worst, man.
Oh, it just fills his car.
I got that on video, Jimmy.
Jimmy. I've seen this. Oh. No, that car ended up flipping, by the way.
Did it really?
Yeah.
Couldn't pay me to live on a boat.
Couldn't pay me to go on a boat like that. I would never go out there. Lightning struck that tree or something. Look at this, man. Where in the hell are we? Is this Egypt? Wow. Look at that. What is this, Elden Ring? Taco Bell.
The one you first sit down.
This guy is snowboarding by lava.
Absolute textbook indicator.
Some people just don't have respect for their surroundings. Like, they don't care enough to want to live. Like, they just want to go see shit, do shit. Okay, but when they get rocked, it's like, well, I mean, what'd you think was going to happen? You're snowboarding by active lava. And he's not just like, you know, going close to it. He's going right up on it, you know, quickly too. What if he,
Right here.
people, man.
Still moving northwest.
Oh, no. I'd be holding it down, man.
She's like, why do this?
That's crazy.
Snow stuck up on the bottom of it.
That's cool.
That I've never seen.
That is cool. Is that up on a mountain? That's dope.
Yeah.
Oh, it cooked the drone. I remember that.
Yeah.
That's what you were talking about.